Hello everyone, in this quick video I will explain what LLMs are and how tools like ChatGPT or Chatbase AI make them super useful for us. LLM stands for Large Language Model. It's basically an advanced AI that understands and generates human-like text. Models like GPT can answer questions, summarize data, write content and even chat naturally, all by learning from massive amount of information. Now, Chatbase AI is a tool that lets you create your own chatbot powered by these LLMs. You can upload your documents, website content, or facts, and it trains the bot to respond just like an expert on your data. So instead of manually answering every query, you can automate support, tutorial, or customer interactions, all customized to your business or project. Let's explore how it's worked in detail. Let's start our work. We will search for Chatbase AI and click on this. Now we will create an agent for us and we will sign up using our Google account. That's what I'm basically trying for. Okay, so it's asking for my password. So we're giving some permissions to the chat base. So it is asking me for what I want to name my workspace. I will Mickey's workspace. I will name it as this. Mickey's workspace is already taken. 1, 2, 3. How about this one? Yes, so it is, we don't have any agents yet, so we will start by making our own agent. It is asking us for some files. So the files we are going to upload is basically the data on which if we ask a question to the tool is going to search in this data and give us the answer in accordance with that files. So let's upload something. So I'm going to upload this file. It is basically a proposal that I made for asking permission from my university to conduct a MUN committee session at my university. So let's create the agent and ask if it knows about it and it answers our questions precisely. So the agent is made. And yes, the agent is made. So basically in the proposal it was that I wrote some of the event schedule and how we want and we want on our social night. We wanted a social night, so let's ask it for what is the plan about social night. What is the plan about social night? The social night is planned as the culmination of BF Manor for the dedicated evening of entertainment and relaxation. It is open to delegates, university students, and spectators, providing a space to unwind. Okay, yes, so it is basically it is answering correctly about the. Let's ask it another question. What is going to be schedule of the event? The event schedule for BF1 is going to be day 1 opening ceremony, orientation and committee sessions. So yes, it is basically answering correctly. So this is how we can make our own LLMs and we can make our own chatbots or basically change all the data that we want them to have, and it will give us answers on the only on the basis of data that we have provided them. That is the way we can make chatbots for our own personal websites or our personal businesses, or we can make a feedback system for this. And yeah, that's all. We should wrap this up. Thank you all.